Have you read this book? This is Raving Fans by Ken Blanchard, and it's how we strive to serve families we work with. My name is Jamie Halford with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing why this book is so important to our team and how you can create raving fan service. Picture this. Customer service that's so revolutionary that every client you work with became raving fans of you, your team, and your business. They can't stop talking about their fantastic experience with your team and tell everyone they know. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, it's possible. So here are 3 secrets we use to create those amazing experiences for our clients. Step 1, decide what you want. Before you can provide customer service worthy of raving fans, you have to create a vision of the perfection centered on the client. If I just lost you, stick with me. Anything with the word perfect can't seem intimidating. So remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to imagine the perfect vision of how your business operates and how it will serve your clients. So let's all close our eyes and visualize exactly what you want your business to be. Every little detail matters. Once you have the perfect vision in your head, compare it to what's actually happening right now. If there's any differences, work to make changes that will bring it closer to that perfect vision. Step 2, discover what the customer wants. In order to provide what your client is interested in, you have to discover their vision too. It may seem redundant to create your own vision and then alter it based on your clients, but it's still necessary. Ask for feedback, send out surveys, and listen to their wants and needs. That said, you don't have to provide every service under the sun. Just focus on perfecting the ones in your vision, and clients will come. Step 3, deliver the +1. To create a raving fan, it's not enough to do your job well. You have to give a client everything they want and top it off with a little more, just like the cherry on top of the cupcake. Deliver your service and then put icing on top. An example would be a receptionist running to the store to grab a special coffee creamer for a client that has a dairy allergy. To do this, your business needs strong infrastructure. Your systems, process, and training need to be firmly in place. Make the +1 the culture in your business. Your team members should know that delivering +1 customer service is the norm and should be with the goal with every single client. Now's the hard part, implementing it. Know that creating the raving fan experience might not happen overnight, but with consistency, dedication, and flexibility, you can do it. You can find this short and sweet book on Amazon, and it'll only take about an hour to read. Have you read this book? Let me know and comment in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and share this with your friends, and I'll see you next time.